And so, for example, Constant Contact integrates with a lot of tools you may already be using. And so I'm sure there are a ton of people out there that are using Canva, for example, to help them create images and things like that. And Canva does a whole bunch more, right? But when you think about the images, what is that typical process that you do? You make an image in Canva, you download it to computer, then you go to Constant Contact and you upload it to Constant Contact. And so now you've created this kind of 3-step process where then you've got a whole bunch of space being wasted on your computer as well. Well, if you use that integration we have with Canva, you can connect directly to your Canva account, and anything that you create in Canva is automatically in your Constant Contact account, so you can use those images. Similar with Shopify, for example. Shopify, let's say you're creating an email and you want to sell a particular product. What you typically do is you'll go in and you'll say, all right, I'm going to go get an image of the product, I'm going to create a description. This is all work that you've already done because you put the product on your Shopify website. If you use that integration, all your products are going to be in your Constant Contact account that you can easily drag and drop into your email so you can sell that particular product. And then you can make changes to the descriptions and images and all that stuff if you want to, but it automatically pulls whatever you had on your website in, right? So these are all just ways to start thinking about like, oh, this will create lists for me, this will show me things, this will make it easier for you to get things and take advantage of the marketing activities that you want to do.